OnePlus Nord CE 5G, the new aspiring mid-range fluency champion arrives with up to 12 GB. The first OnePlus Nord came with the purpose of being more affordable than the now frontline OnePlus, and it came with the OnePlus Nord N10 and N100. But the Nord range is expanding, and it does so with the new OnePlus Nord CE 5G, which, as its name already anticipates, comes to expand that showcase of the mid-range with 5G connectivity. It is a smartphone with a 90Hz AMOLED screen and Qualcomm's Snapdragon 750G processor. An interesting combination considering that the starting price is just close to €300. The logo runs freely in the center of the back, clearing any doubt that it is a OnePlus Mobile. In addition, the blue tone and the shape and location of the rear module are very reminiscent of the first OnePlus Nord, seeing in this chaos also options in black and silver. This rear has a slight curvature at the edges and corners, but the screen is flat, featuring a hole for the front camera in the upper left corner. It has a gloss finish in the colors silver and black, being matte in the case of blue and promising that it is especially resistant to fingerprints, so it will be necessary to see it. This flat screen is a 6.43-inch AMOLED panel, which is almost identical diagonally to that of the Nord, but in this case the maximum refresh rate is increased to 90 Hz. In the absence of knowing the exact resolution, for now we know which supports HDR10+. The OnePlus Nord CE 5G integrates a mini audio jack despite being quite thin, 7.9mm. In addition, despite having a more than decent battery capacity, they have managed to make it 170 grams of weight, below its predecessors in the line of the small Asus Zenfone 8. As we have said in the introduction, this time we have had the Snapdragon 750G 5G, which makes it clearer that it is a Nord of the top line and not like the N10 and N100. Although this is also made clear by the memories, because we are talking about models with up to 12 GB of RAM, which is quite striking in a mid-range. As for the storage memory, there are versions of 128 and 256 GB, to be confirmed if it has expansion for microSD, for now it is not indicated. Another characteristic feature that is usually a positive point is the software itself, since despite being a customization layer on Android, Oxygenos 11 usually works fluently, so we hope that in this case the precedence will be maintained. At the level of autonomy, the new Nord CE comes with a 4500 mAh battery, greater capacity than we saw in the first Nord, 4115 mAh. It includes the fast-charging brand of the house, Warp Charge 30T+, with which they promise a charge from 0 to 70% in 30 minutes. As for the cameras, the OnePlus Nord CE 5G has a 64-megapixel sensor in the main camera, and, although the brand has not yet said all the information, we know that it integrates a wide-angle lens in the sensor that corresponds to the camera. Front, looking like this, main camera, 64-megapixel sensor with lens with an aperture f1.79. Ultra-wide-angle lens with 119-degree field of view. Front camera, 16-megapixel sensor. The OnePlus Nord CE 5G will be available for sale on the brand's website and on Amazon from June 21, 2021 in Europe. On the web and on Amazon there will be an early access option from today until June 13 at 1 o'clock. Prices are as follows: OnePlus Nord CE 5G 6GB plus 128GB, charcoal ink color, €299, exclusive on the web, in Europe. OnePlus Nord CE 5G 8GB plus 128GB, blue void, charcoal ink colors, €329. OnePlus Nord CE 5G 12GB plus 256GB, blue void, charcoal ink, blue void colors, €399. The new Nord CE will be available in 3 colors: charcoal ink, black, silver ray, silver, and blue void, blue. It is undoubtedly an impressive mobile.